Best online credit repair platforms app. The pros, the cons. The Best Online Credit Repair Platforms app is designed to help users improve credit scores efficiently and safely. Most people get this wrong by using unverified services or handling disputes poorly, but here's the truth: reliable online platforms can streamline the process and protect your financial health. A key pro is automation. The app can monitor credit reports, detect errors, and automatically submit disputes to all 3 major bureaus. For example, if your report shows a closed account as delinquent, the app can initiate a correction request immediately. Another advantage is education. Users gain insight into credit factors like payment history, length of credit, and new inquiries. You won't believe how many people make repeated mistakes, such as opening multiple new cards at once, that unintentionally hurt their score. The cons include subscription costs and limits on what can be repaired. Accurate negative marks cannot be removed, and some apps may not cover every regional lender. Users must remain vigilant and verify changes for accuracy. In conclusion, the Best Online Credit Repair Platforms app is an excellent tool for anyone serious about rebuilding credit. It combines automation, education, and monitoring, but users should understand its limitations and continue practicing responsible financial habits for lasting results.